If you're looking for turnkey and move-in ready, check out 7189 Gabriel Drive in North Fontana.
Let's go take a look. Nothing says welcome more than a covered porch and double door entry. With an open floor plan and large living spaces, you'll enjoy spending time at home with family and friends. Take note of the attention to detail found throughout the home. Updated light fixtures and ceiling fans, and all new door hardware, electrical outlets, and switches. The kitchen offers loads of cabinets and a large island with breakfast bar and stainless steel appliances. Easy maintenance tile floors are in the kitchen and all bathrooms. The fireplace has been updated with a timeless wood mantle. A main floor bedroom and bathroom are perfect for guests or working from home. Step outside to your private oasis, featuring aluminum patio covers and a brick paver patio, where you'll enjoy outdoor dining or relaxing in the new spa.
And if you need more indoor space to work out or hang out, to watch movies, head upstairs to this enormous bonus room. 2 additional bedrooms and guest bathroom and a master suite are also upstairs. The master bathroom has a large soaking tub, separate shower, and dual sink vanity. This home is immaculately maintained and beautifully updated.
Don't let this special home pass you by.
To schedule your private showing of this home, give us a call today.